everyone, this is Cindy Create the Heart, and I'm back with another one of my crafty stash to destash. So, I'm going through my collection and trying to decide whether I want to stash or destash. There are a couple here and there that I might change my mind and decide to stash if I use it or I pull it out and I can't part with it. There's some things I've set aside for my next sale that I'm going to think about. And I think that's a really good rule of thumb, and my plan of course is to do sales twice a year until I get this down to a manageable level. Have I slowed down? I mean, maybe I've slowed down buying. I don't know. It's hard to say. I buy a lot. And so it really got me thinking about a lot of different things, one of which is, the whole, am I a collector or am I a crafter? And I think that we all have a little of both in us. And as I get older, my birthday's coming up and I'll be freaking 53, which I can't believe. I actually started this channel when my daughter was a baby and she just turned 18 last month. So, and that is my baby. So I can't even right now. She's going into nursing, which I'm so excited about because I'm a nurse in the family, but, and I'm very proud of her. And so anyway, it's a lot. And I think that as we get older, a lot of us think about, like, we want to simplify our life a little bit, and so we want to maybe get something to a manageable level. Like, I'm also dealing with cleaning out my closet. I lost a lot of weight, and so I need to get rid of a lot of things in my closet. So that's another thing that I'm dealing with on top of this sale. So it's like a double whammy of things I'm dealing with. Of trying to clean up my house. In the summer is always that time for me because I'm in education and I have the summer off. But the other thing that I talked about in my last video, one of my videos, is about so many of the companies disappearing. And Avery Elle was one that I was really surprised about. I actually have a couple of products by them that I haven't used that are newer. They have this cute book reading set that I want to pull out and use. And I also have some really cute dies by them that I really like, but and I need to clean out sort of my general die area too, because it's out of sight, out of mind, right? If it's not in front of me, then I'm not using it because I forgot I have it. But I was really surprised. I wanted to see if they had this tag die I saw that someone had used for something, and I liked it. So I went to their website and discovered that they had closed. So just not a lot of fanfare, and they were just gone, and it's very, very sad. And you'll see the products, how cute they are. Like this one I contemplated keeping and using because I freaking love birds, and these birds are freaking adorable. But I think I still have my Paper Smooches birds that are very similar and very cute, and I decided not to make a card with this one, even though I was super crazy tempted. And it had the dies with it. And so cute, and it's going in the destash. And then I have other products I've never used, which I love. This cute sun, which I think is adorable, but I'm sure I have a sun elsewhere. I have the die for it as well, And then this one, which is really cute too. I think it's very, very cute. But I do have a couple of other sets that are critters with umbrellas, even though this one is adorable and the sentiments, the font is super cute. So someone's gonna pick that up hopefully and be happy. This one, I was just too lazy to pull out the card that I have still for this. I think I made a wedding card, and I still haven't given that wedding card out yet because it's so cute. I love it. Having to find the right person for it. But this is a really cute stamp set as well, and these little words fit in the license plate, and the die, I have the die for it. So, and then these two, which are not, obviously they're Santoro, but I love them, and it's a lot of thought about whether I want to try to make a card with them, and I think I'm going to stash these. So these are going to go stash, since I'm telling you, and I'm going to make a card with them, and they may show up in my destash in November, I think. I think I'm going to do it. They're so cute. Well, am I? Yeah, I am. you know, that's the thing too. So I am going to stash those. I'm going to use them. I'm going to pull them out right here. I'm going to use them this summer, and I'll see if I want to keep them or not. Because I bought the Centauro before, and then I haven't used it. So I'm going to make myself use it. Okay. This is adorable. I love this so much when I used it, but I'm gonna destash it. I don't have the dies for this. I fussy cut when I colored them. They are easy to fussy cut. They are really, really cute. I made some cards to share with you guys, and I've used this stamp a couple of times. But this is really cute. But it is going in the destash. Okay. So here are the cards I made. Here was this one right here. All I did with this is I actually used my Distress Spritz Worn Lipstick. I just sprayed it, and that was my background. That was it. And then I just colored these with my Copics and spaced them out, and I think it's really cute. Super easy, fun. And then this one, I decided to go ahead and pull out one of my favorite dies, actually, from... who is it from? Whimsy Stamps. This is my favorite die for Whimsy Stamps. I bought this from Not Too Shabby. I think I did. They used to sell the Whimsy product line, and so I bought a couple from them. I don't know if this one I got from them or from Whimsy. I feel like I did, but it's my favorite one. I love it. It's so cute. And so I just used some Doodlebug. You can see it's like, doesn't quite, I didn't cut it because I used one 6x6 paper and cut it twice, and I didn't quite get it right at the right spot, but that's okay. And then I spliced it together in order to put down the card, because this card is 8.5 by 3.25. It's the slim line, and so that's kind of what I did. But I have a patriotic paper pad from Doodlebug, and that's what I use. I've just been kind of working on that paper pad, and I mean, it's a little bit weird right there. I'm not overly concerned about it. But I made my little guy, my little popsicle dudes, like, I made them like red, white, and blue, sort of, or red and blue, you know, with the white, kind of patriotic, kind of like, you know, those little bomb pops. Anyways, really fun. And then all I did with here is I just inked some Candy Apple Pink Fresh Studio ink, and then I did a little bit of splatter on it, and then I just stamped my sentiment over it. I think it's really fun. So the stash to destash, you know, it's going well. I mean, I am still contemplating a Centauro. It might pop in there. It might not. It's going to be a hard decision. I might stamp it out and just see how easy it is to color her. Do I want to keep her? You know what? It's so hard. I'm gonna put her in the stash. I'm just gonna do it, because that's the whole point, right? You gotta say goodbye to the hard things. And so I think that it's good, and it's good. I'm gonna be a better crafter for cleaning out my stuff. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cindy Crane with the Heart.